Looking for a fast, efficient way to clean your jewellery to a professional standard? Ultrasonic cleaning is a trusted method used by jewellers to remove polishing compounds, dirt and debris without the need for heavy scrubbing. Start by filling your Elma Ultrasonic tank with deionized or distilled water. Add a jewellery-safe ultrasonic solution and always follow the dilution guidelines on the bottle. The right mix helps protect metal and boosts the cleaning action. Set the cleaner to 50 or 60 degrees. The Elma Ultrasonic makes this easy with precise digital control. Allow it to heat up fully before placing any jewellery inside. Place your items in a mesh basket or suspend them with pliers to avoid touching the base. Don't overcrowd. Spacing is key for optimal cleaning. Let the machine do the work. Ultrasonic cleaning uses high-frequency sound waves to create microscopic bubbles. As they implode, these bubbles dislodge dirt and grime even from the finest details and hard-to-reach crevices. Choose a cycle time between 3 to 10 minutes depending on how dirty the item is. The digital timer makes this simple. With its gentle yet powerful ultrasonic waves, it removes grime with ease. After cleaning, rinse with clean water. Then dry using a lint-free cloth or compressed air. Avoid using the ultrasonic on soft or treated stones and always inspect every item first. Stubborn polishing compounds, dirt and debris lift away effortlessly. No scrubbing, no stress. This is the trusted method jewellers rely on to achieve a flawless professional finish every time. With this machine, you get powerful cleaning, precise temperature control, and ultra-reliable performance. With the right setup and careful handling, ultrasonic cleaning can save you time and deliver outstanding results. Over time, jewellery collects dust, oil, and polish buildup that dulls its shine. A proper ultrasonic clean not only restores the shiny look, it helps preserve the condition of the jewellery by reaching into crevices that brushing can't touch. For more tools, tips, and expert advice, explore the rest of our videos and upgrade your workshop at Cooksongold.